It was in 1996 that Mercury developed its own propeller company, a state-of-the-art facility located in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. Today, Mercury Propellers is the largest propeller manufacturer in the world, and it's Mercury propellers which are installed in more than half of the new boats manufactured in the United States. Combining the latest in design technology with precision manufacturing, Mercury propellers have become the standard by which all other propellers are judged. While aluminum props are produced using a die-cast process, Mercury's stainless steel propellers are investment cast. Let's take a tour of the Mercury propeller plant and explain how the investment casting process works. First, heated liquid wax is injected into a custom tooling, producing an exact replica of the propeller being manufactured. Then, a pouring cup is attached to the wax casting. The assembly is then bolted to an automated dipping fixture. Robots retrieve the dipping fixture. The wax molds then go through a cleansing cycle where they're rinsed in a citric cleaner. They then undergo a series of dips into a ceramic slurry, followed by a drying period. This process is repeated several times, coating the wax, forming layers, and creating a shell around the wax, much like the rings of a tree. What results is a thick, rigid shell. Moisture is removed from the shells, and they are then placed in an autoclave, similar to a giant pressure cooker. 300-degree steam melts the wax. The shell then goes to the pouring area where it's preheated and stored in ovens awaiting the molten steel that's been heated to 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Within seconds, the molten steel solidifies inside the ceramic shell, and after about an hour, the steel cools to room temperature. Next, the casting is prepared for machining in the knockout and cutoff area where a pneumatic hammer vibrates the casting and removes the ceramic shell from around the stainless steel. Then the pouring cup is removed with a high-speed saw. The prop is now ready for precision machining on labyrinth seals and boring, and then directly into the buff and polish area where there's a rough grinding done by robotic machines and a finish grinding done by hand. The prop is then edged and balanced to exact engineering specifications. To give the propeller its final brilliance, it's loaded onto a media finish machine and given a shiny Duratec finish. Finished props then go through a computerized inspection to ensure the precision accuracy of each assembly. And if so desired, any camera-ready artwork can be laser-etched onto the finished prop, whether it's a corporate logo or a personal signature. Mercury Propellers, building boating performance one propeller at a time.